Welcome. This is how to use Williams percent range indicator to trade market in a ranging state. Williams percent range to trade market in a ranging state. This is Williams percent range indicator. How to use it to trade perfectly well market in a ranging state. Now let's get to the chart. Now here is the Williams percent range indicator. This is the Williams percent range indicator. How to use it perfectly well to trade market in a ranging state. Now if you look, you see that the chart on the screen is a clear ranging market where we have a lot of support and resistance. Now this is how to use Williams percent range indicator to trade it perfectly well. Now if you look here, now you will see two horizontal lines. Here is minus 10 and down here is minus 19 lines. Now when you see the Williams percentage range indicator below minus 19 line, that is a clear buy signal. That is what a clear buy signal. 99% accuracy. This is here sell. This is a buy entry. This is what a buy entry for you. Do you understand? Now here is another buy entry because the Williams percent range indicator is below the minus line. So you make your buy entry here. Make your buy entry here. This is another huge profit for you. Do you understand? Now when the Williams percentage indicator is above minus 10, that is a clear sell signal for you. A clear sell signal. This is 99% accuracy. So this is what a clear sell signal. Don't forget, this is Optimal FS, where we share profitable strategy. Whichever strategy we share here, we have tested it over and over. Do you understand? So here is another buy opportunity. If you watch here, you see that the indicator is below minus 19, which is a clear buy signal. Make a buy here, and this is what excess profit. Now we have another sell signal here, another sell signal there. Do you understand? Because the indicator is above minus 10 line, so that is a clear sell opportunity. You sell here and make your excess profits. Guys, this particular strategy works 99% accuracy when the market is in a ranging state. Make use of Williams percent range indicator. It will guarantee you profit, consistent profit, trading market in a range. Do you understand? So let me show you the settings. This is what period is 50, style, choose color of your choice. Now when you come to the level, the first one is minus 19, the second one is what? Minus 10. That is all you need to trade market in a ranging state perfectly correct. This is Optimal FS. We share profitable strategies. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video. If you have any question, if there is anything that is not clear to you, make use of the comment section. Do you understand? Thank you.